In this video, I'm going to show you how to add keywords using the Yoast SEO plugin to optimize your content for search engines. First, open your post or page editor in WordPress. This is where you create and edit the content for your site, and it's also where Yoast SEO comes into play. If you are using the classic editor, you'll find this under posts or pages in your dashboard. For the Gutenberg editor, just click on the title of the post or page you want to edit. Next, locate the Yoast SEO meta box at the bottom of the editor screen or as a sidebar in Gutenberg. This is your control center for optimizing posts and pages. Right away, you will see an option to enter your focus key phrase. This is the main keyword or phrase you want your content to rank for in search engines. Choose a key phrase that is relevant to your content and achievable for your site's authority. Once you enter your key phrase, Yoast SEO will provide an analysis of your page. Incorporate your focused key phrase strategically in your title, headings, first paragraph, main content, meta description, image alt text, and UL slug. Each placement reinforces your content's relevance to search engines, increasing the chances of appearing in relevant search results. If you are using the premium version of Yoast SEO, you can also add secondary or related key phrases. This helps your content rank for additional search terms and attract a wider audience. Finally, save or update your post to ensure all changes are applied and visible to your site visitors and search engines. And that's it. You've successfully added keywords in Yoast SEO, giving your content a strong foundation for better search engine visibility. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.